Say Happy New Year, Abigail. Happy New Year. Oh, peekaboo. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah. You gonna say Happy New Year? Yay! Very good. Yeah. Yeah, that means Happy New Year, right? Abigail will be a year old and less than a month. You know, big girl. She had a good Christmas with everybody. All right. See you later, Abigail. See you later, Abby. Those little feet go.